Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't filmed in a long time. I know I didn't film last week and I apologize. I'll get more into that in the plan with me. But this week I'm using a kit from SimplyWatercolorCo. This was a kit that Jennifer, the owner of SimplyWatercolorCo, collabed with Nikki from RibbonandNib. And Jennifer released a kit and Nikki released vellum and die cuts and journaling cards. And this is like my absolute favorite kit and I've been wanting to use it, but I was waiting for some stickers to arrive and they arrived and now I can use it. So this is the kit. It's so beautiful. I know it has like the floral, so it's kind of spring, but I think that with the blush and the green and the black, I think it's gonna look, in like the darker purple, I think it's gonna be as stunning. And if not, if it doesn't look very October-esque, I don't care. I'm gonna love it because it's my spread. So as you can tell, these are not just Sunny as printables. These are from Lights Planner Action. These are the week on 2 pages, the full column. I've been looking for inserts like this for a while, and I knew that Lights Planner Action had these, but I didn't want to order them and wait for them. I'm a very impatient person. So I was really happy when she released the printable version. I jumped on that because I love the long columns, no lines, like not a lot of room for washi, like you don't have to use washi and it will still look fine. And I'm really happy with these. I'm really, really happy because I asked Sunny if she would ever think about making the ones like the hourly with no lines, and she said she'll make a note of it, but she doesn't do customs. So right now I'm here, so it's totally okay. So I'm gonna use the full boxes and let's see what we have. I kind of want to use the date covers, but I don't know how it will look. Let's try it. Let's take, oh, here are the date dots. Goofy. So Monday will be the 15th. But I did use these last week and I like how my spread turned out. So the reason I did not film last week was because I was kind of in a planner rut. I love planning and I got into planning to kind of, or as my outlet and kind of de-stress and just as a hobby. And I had too many planners where I got to the state of stress because I had too many, and I planned each planner had the same spread, and it just like it wasn't, I don't know, it just was very stressful trying to keep up with everything and I just couldn't do it. I wasn't happy with any of I don't know, I was just in a planner rut and I just needed to take a break from filming just for a week because literally all Saturday, I think from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., I was dealing with planners. Like I was going back and forth, just everything, and I just wasn't happy. So the only thing that's frustrating about these inserts is that they're too wide. Don't really fit. They're too, and I had this problem last week as well, so it's not SimplyWatercolorCo. So as you can tell, it's very minor, but you can tell. So I wanted to, before I kind of filmed, I wanted to play around with them so it wasn't a catastrophe. But I guess we'll see what this looks like. So I was just in a planner rut and I just needed a second to recuperate and just figure everything out. And I felt bad, but I had to do it. So sometimes you need to step back and do stuff for yourself, and it's not selfish at all. It's for my mental state. And I just needed a break because I've been doing, since school started, I feel like I've been uploading 1 video minimum. I've been doing 2 to 3 a week and I just needed a second. And this week I kind of was on the edge of filming, but I was like, you know what? I love the feel. I love the feeling of uploading and getting that up and then having it's a good feeling. So I wanted to do that. So here we are. And I love this kit because Nikki and Jennifer collabed and it got restocked. So I'm super excited about that. So by the time this goes up, hopefully we'll still be up, but it did get restocked. So there is potential. But it's such a gloomy day, and I feel like when it's gloomy days, it's a gloomy mood. All right, so I don't want to use this box just because it says Hope Springs Eternal, and this is not spring. So let's use these 3 foiled. Put this guy up here. So with these inserts, I have to center them, but the weather, like I said, has been really gloomy. On the 9th, because I remember it was my friend's 21st birthday, we went out just for dinner. And we sat outside and it was like 85 degrees. But yet yesterday on Friday, it was 50. So it dropped so quickly. It was crazy. But it's starting to feel like fall again, because last year we did not have a fall. I want to use these, so I guess we'll go into the day today. Oh, going back to my little planner rut. Oh, I need my free plan sheets. Goodness gracious. I ended up selling my personal wide rings with the snap closure because, let me put, that's a lot of black in a little area, so let me do a half box first because I'm going to the library on Monday to study, so I want to use a box. Let's do, there's already a lot of, let's do the green. So I decided to sell my personal wide ring snap closure because it was a little, it was like, it didn't feel as, it just felt so big because the snap closure, it like closed it but not super tight. So I just wasn't feeling it, but I did order the Foxy Fix personal wide elastic. So, and I'm taking a break from my Erin Condren right now. So, let me just go in and put down my to-dos throughout the week, and I'll just continue chit-chatting. But, I'm taking a break from my EC. So then, right now, I'll just have 2 planners. Or right now I'll have 1. And I think it'll just give me a chance to kind of like recuperate. And then in like mid-November, my other planner from Foxy Fix will arrive. And then I think also just with school, school's been kicking my butt. But I mean, that's what school is. So do Thursday at the bottom. I just have class Thursday night. So, oh, I forgot to mention, these are from SimplyWatercolorCo as well. I thought these would be perfect because the bow is the same. So I think it will give me a chance just to use one planner and kind of get back to myself in a way. So, and school's been, like I said, kicking my butt because I go into the field in 2 weeks. Like, not this week, next week is our meeting where we find out where we teach. So these are all from Sadie's Stickers, and I have a coupon code for her shop. It's Amanda20, and she has these 2 in her shop and then a full sheet of these. This was a $2 Tuesday, and I thought that these matched perfectly. So these are her bow labels. So, and this is in the lavender, the marble, and the pink. So I wanted to use, so this week is a lot of bows, but, and these are the stickers I was waiting for, so I guess I will use these for work. Let me use a squiggle and then I'll do work underneath. So these squiggles are from Rose Colored Days. She collabed with Nikki, her PR girl from Nikki Plans. Alright, for work scripts, I'm going to use these from Sweet Bella XOXO. These are so cute. I've used the black ones for quite a long time. And she came out with foil. So I'm just going to do that and cover the bottom line. That's really all I have for Monday. And if anything else goes on, I can mark it down there. Tuesday, I have a quiz or test in the morning. I'm going to take one of these books from My Newest Addiction and just put that right there. Maybe I'll take a little flag. I have these mini flags from Clever Gal Crafts. This green I thought matched a little bit, or the light purple, or the mauve purple. I might, or the pink. I'm going to try to bring in a little more black. So let's put that guy there with the book, because that's perfect because it is a reading. It's from a reading diagnostic class. And then Tuesday night, I register for classes. So I'm going to take a piece of washi. And I have this sheet from Letters to Apollo. This says register for classes, and I was so excited when I was able to use this. I only register for classes 2 more times, this semester and next semester. That's crazy. So, and I have a coupon code for her shop. It's Amanda10. And then when you use my code, you can get this freebie. And this is exclusive to my name, or my coupon code. So it says work this week, laundry, and play next week. And she will be in the Planner Girl exclusive sale, which I'm so excited about. So I want to use a little strip. I think I'm going to use the clipboard from the kit. And at the bottom it says XOXO Nikki. It's just so cute. Cute. And I want to see what it looks like with a squiggle. Nikki, I love you so much, but it's not my name. Alright, and I actually decided I'm going to take a squiggle from Rose Colored Days and Nikki. I'm going to put it over her name. I have homework due, and for homework due, I have these from Letters to Apollo. She did a custom sheet for me that says all homework due, because the original sheet says homework due and discussion. So I'm going to use that, and then a flag. And this is my favorite way to mark homework due, is with a little flag and the Letters to Apollo script. And then also, it's my little buddy's birthday. Maybe I'll do the purple there and the green here. And then that's it for Wednesday. A project due, so I'm going to take that same script from this sheet from Letters to Apollo and another flag. I'll put the flag down here. Let's that cute, and then I'll use another squiggle. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the Sadie stickers. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, and then the Sweet Bella XOXO. And then hopefully a collab will be going live on Friday or this week. We're not sure. Nikki and Lindsay from Calligraphy by Lindsay are not sure yet. They did a beautiful collab. Nikki did vellum with Lindsay's writing, and then Lindsay is actually making, or she did make vinyls in her squiggles and tons of other things that Nikki has, like the bows and the hearts, and I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. I need all of them. And that's it for Friday. And then Saturday, I just want to film and edit. So I'll just use a film sticker. I'm going to use one of these from My Newest Addiction. So I'm going to put that there, and then this one up here. No, I don't like that. Alright, we're just going to do that, and then that will be for my Plan With Me going live, and then for filming it, I'll just mark it differently. That's really all I have for Sunday. And then filming, I'll use this quarter box with a little bow. Perfect. And then I'll just put a half box there to mark anything else going on. And then Friday, I guess I can use a box down here. Or should I might use the floral or a marble. Then Friday, I guess I'll just put a marble box down so it doesn't look super crazy. And then I'll just bring in a purple little bow. I'll put that in the corner. That's adorable. So I'm going to take the green bow there, and I'll put the purple bow there with my homework due, but I'm going to layer it. There you go, that's adorable. Alright, this is the spread. I think it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love gold foil and rose gold and like gold and silver. I just love all the foils. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, My Life Stuck on Paper, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!